Welcome back to Recreational Garage. Quick update on the progress here this week. We got the front end all reassembled, all the chrome is polished, and the grill's all back in. It's looking quite a bit better up here. We also worked on getting these quick release fasteners on here. So those will work here. I left this out of the car just to show you here, but they just click right back on, and that's how that works. So I think that'll work pretty good. I've done some testing where I pick it up and just jiggle it around a lot, and it doesn't pop loose, so I think it should be good. And another thing, we have our Billy button transmitter here. So this has its wiring ports. So we'll have one for the horn, and if we want, we can have one for line lock and for two-step launch control stuff. So we can have buttons for that wired off of this, and then with the Motion Raceworks steering wheel quick disconnect there, we don't have wires going from the steering wheel to anything. So kind of a cool way to do it. Really looking forward to seeing how that all functions once we get everything wired up. So those are the big three things that we worked on this week. Still pushing forward, trying to figure out wiring. I have the factory wiring harness just spread out across my basement, trying to figure everything out so that I can figure out how we wire in, keep all the factory switches for things like wipers, heater, headlights, that stuff. So still pushing forward, still making some progress on things. Should be ordering wires here in the next couple days and wiring connectors so we can start wiring the car. Now that we have this part all figured out and done, we should be pretty good. So still getting that going, and should have that going here in the next week or two once we get parts in. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.